So you've just played the game, and like most people, you probably have some questions. What we have learned in our years of experience and thousands of sessions of Evive is that most trainers and facilitators ask similar questions. We've consolidated those questions, and I'll be taking you through them now. So the first question is, what is the format in which you run the game? The typical format that we like to follow using the immersive learning methodology is one of try, fail, and adjust, allowing participants the opportunity to try something, to try a methodology or an approach towards winning the game, failing, and then adjusting their ways to try it again. And this cycle, this continuum, continues over 3 iterations. Each iteration is segregated by a debrief, which is typically done by a facilitator, followed by a strategy session, allowing the participant the time to explore different methodologies and approaches through which they can win the game. After each iteration, the next iteration is usually of a harder difficulty than the previous one. What competencies does the game naturally cover? As you may have already discovered in your experience of playing the game naturally brings out aspects of communication and listening skills. These are essential to form a healthy collaborative environment. What age group and batch size does the program work best with? In our experience of having run Evive, we found that an ideal batch size would be somewhere between 15 to 20 participants. That doesn't negate the fact that smaller teams and larger teams won't benefit from this program. Secondly, the age group. We've tested the game with kids who are in their 7th grade and 8th grade, all the way up to participants who are 60 and 65 years of age. So everything in between. We've played several hundreds of sessions with different age groups to learn that this program works well with all of them. How tech savvy do I need to be in order to run this game? In our experience, we'd say that on a scale of 0, meaning not tech savvy, to 10, meaning very tech savvy, you'd probably need to be somewhere around a 3 or a 4 to be able to run this game effectively. Can the game be customized? Absolutely. In the basic and pro versions of the game, there are numerous customizabilities that you can leverage. It also offers numerous opportunities for you to increase or decrease difficulties by changing modalities of the game. We hope we've answered some critical and important questions which will help you make a decision. The game comes with immense documentation designed to help you facilitate an impactful Evive session. If you have any further questions, feel free to reach out to us. We're always here to answer your questions.